Cholesterol is one of the basic elements that provide structure to our body organs such as skin, liver, heart, and it even forms the building material of our hormones. Cholesterol is required for the necessary function such as to protect our nervous system, for the generation of hormones and of vitamin D, and to produce the necessary digestive juices such as bile from the liver. Now, cholesterol is primarily manufactured in your liver. So naturally, the health of your liver affects the health of your cholesterol profile. A lot of people are suffering from the problems of high cholesterol which arise due to poor choices of diet and lifestyle. And that's what we are going to have a look into this video. I'll share with you Ayurvedic tips to get your cholesterol profile back into shape and put your health back on track. So let's get started. Number one is to remove all bad fats in your diet. Basically remove all kinds of snacks which contain refined oils and all kinds of foods which also are bringing in trans fats, burnt fats or vegetable oil which you need to avoid. Second point is to bring in healthy fatty acids via seeds, nuts as well as cold pressed or extra virgin oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, sesame oil, mustard oil and ghee. So all these fats provide you with healthy fatty acids and help in generation of good cholesterol in your body. Of course, you have to see the amount in which you are consuming, because if your cholesterol profile is already bad, then you need to watch your intake of fat content as well. So mind the quantity as well as taking good quantity of fatty acids to improve your cholesterol profile. Now the third point is to stop eating all the time. This I insist in nearly all of my talks. When you eat all the time, it really affects the health of your liver and hence the generation of good quality cholesterol from your liver. So you should eat regular meals at fixed time to protect your liver and help it function well. Number four is to take warm lemon water in morning. This really stimulates the functioning of your liver as well as helps to flush toxins out of your body. When taken on regular basis, this will be really effective tool to improve your cholesterol profile. Number five is to take in high quantity of green leafy vegetables as well as freshly prepared foods which will bind in the bad cholesterol from your body and flush it out so that you can enjoy good functioning of your liver as well as a healthy cholesterol profile. Number six is good physical activity as well as sufficient sleeping hours. Both of these are important tools to enhance the functioning of your liver, which will further affect your cholesterol profile. I hope you found this useful. Do share with me how these tips are helping you out, and do share your feedback and suggestions. I'll get back to you the soonest. Till next time, bye.